Hey everyone, AutoAce here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring some killer upgrades that will maximize the performance of your Honda Click 125i. If you're looking to enhance power and responsiveness on your ride, I've rounded up some top-notch accessories that can be sourced easily. Let's go! Upgrade 1. High Performance Exhaust System. A quality exhaust system isn't just about that aggressive note. It also improves exhaust flow and boosts throttle response. One standout option is the Rox Racing exhaust system for Honda Click 125i. Engineered to reduce back pressure, this upgrade gives your scooter a sportier sound and noticeable performance gains. Price: $278.72 USD per 16,000 Philippine pesos. Upgrade 2. High Flow Air Filter. Your engine needs an ample supply of air to perform its best. Upgrading to a high flow air filter allows for better air intake and improved combustion efficiency. A great choice is the K&N High Performance Air Filter for Honda Click 125i. Known for its durability and superior filtration, it's perfect for elevating your ride's engine performance. Price: $43.60 USD per 2,500 Philippine pesos. Upgrade 3. ECU Tuning Module. Unlock the full potential of your engine with an ECU tuning module. By optimizing fuel mapping and ignition timing, you can achieve significant improvements in responsiveness and overall performance. The Dynotech ECU chip for Honda Click 125i is designed to fine-tune the fuel injection system, ensuring your ride feels dynamic and alive. Price: $148.23 USD or 8,500 Philippine pesos. Upgrade 4. Performance Spark Plug. A high-quality spark plug plays a crucial role in efficient combustion. For the Click 125i, the NGK Iridium spark plug is an excellent upgrade. It delivers a stronger, quicker spark that can enhance throttle response and improve engine efficiency. A small change that can make a big difference. Price: $17.43 USD per 1,000 Filipino pesos. Upgrade 5. Upgraded Suspension Components. For enhanced handling and a smoother ride, consider upgrading your suspension. The YSS Performance Suspension Kit, tailored for Honda scooters, adds improved stability and comfort, whether you're taking on twisty roads or cruising through town. This upgrade ensures better control and a more engaging riding experience. Price: $104.64 USD per 6,000 Philippine pesos. These upgrades are designed to work together, enhancing everything from engine performance to overall ride quality. With these improvements, your Honda Click 125i will deliver a more exhilarating and responsive experience every time you hit the road. Until next time, I hope you like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.